Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will discuss notice writing. So students, let's start with the notice, and students, I hope that all of you have tried it well. Now students, let's start. You are Manik, the head boy of RMS Public School, Delhi. You have been asked to write a notice announcing a tiffin box found. Article found, it is tiffin box. Okay, in the school premises. Now write the notice in not more than 50 words announcing the find and asking the owner to claim it from the head boy after identifying it. So students, let's see how to write it. In very first line, students, write down name of school, that is RMS Public School, Delhi. Then in next line, students, write down word notice. After it, write down date, then suitable heading, that is tiffin box found. Next, come to the content, students. What should we write? It is informed to all the students that a tiffin box has been found, where lying unclaimed in the school premises. Now, anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can identify and claim it from the head boy. From whom, students, we have to claim it? From the head boy. When, students? During recess within 2 days of this notice. Then students, put signature as Manik, then write down name Manik, then last designation, that is head boy. Like this, students, you can complete this notice like RMS Public School, Delhi, then notice, then date, then tiffin box found. It is informed to all the students that a tiffin box has been found lying unclaimed in the school premises. Anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can identify and claim it from the head boy during recess within 2 days of this notice. Then signature as Manik, then write down name, and after it designation. And after this, students, at last put the notice in a box. Okay, put it in a box. Students, let's start with a notice of lost. You are Priya, a student of class 6th of St. Francis School, Noida. You have lost your water bottle somewhere in the school premises. Now write a notice in about 50 words to be put up on the school notice board giving all the details. Now students, let's see how to write it. In very first line, students, write down name in capital letters. That is St. Francis School, Noida. Okay, in capital letters. After it, students, write down word notice. After notice, as you all know, students, write down date. You should write it in a proper format. Okay. Then students, write down proper, or we can say suitable heading. That is water bottle lost. It should be eye-catching. Okay. Water bottle lost. Which article lost? Water bottle. So now, students, what to write down in the content? It is informed to all the students that a brand new cello water bottle has been lost. Now students, you can change it here like a brand new Milton water bottle has been lost in the school premises. On here, students, you can write down date, whatever you like. Now students, it is blue in color. You can write red in color, it is pink in color, yellow in color, okay, and has a white lid. You can write down like has a pink lid, has a blue lid, okay, whatever students you want to write, you can write according to that. Now students, there is a sticker of Mickey Mouse on its steel body. Now how can we change it, students? There is a sticker of Doraemon on its plastic body. There is a sticker of Princess on its steel body or plastic body. Okay, whatever students you want to write, you can write. If found, अगर मिलती है ये bottle, then return it to the undersigned. जिसके नीचे sign हुआ है. If found, return it to the undersigned. A suitable reward is promised. After it, students, put your signature as Priya, then write down name in capital letter Priya, and after it student of class 6. Writers detail you can write on here. And at last, students, put the notice in a box. The students, let's revise it. St. Francis School, Noida. Notice, then date, and water bottle lost. It is informed to all the students that a brand new cellar water bottle has been lost in the school premises on whatever the date you can write. It is blue in color and has a white lid. There is a sticker of Mickey Mouse on its steel body. If found, return it to the undersigned. A suitable reward is promised, then name and signature and designation. At last, put the notice in a box. Let's do one notice for practice. So students, let's read it first of all. You are Ankita, a student of class 6 of SK Modern School, Chandigarh. You have lost your wristwatch somewhere in the school campus. Now write a notice to be put up on the school notice board giving all the details and not more than 50 words. Now students, let's see how to write it. In first line, students, write down name of school, that is SK Modern School, Chandigarh. Then students, in next line, write down word notice. It should be also in capital letters. After it, students, write down date. Then a suitable heading should be there, like wrist watch lost. Okay, follow the format while writing notice. Okay, remember it, students. Now students, let's come to the content. It is informed to all the students that a brand new wristwatch of Sonata company, or you can write down Titan company or Fastrack, okay, whatever students you want to write, you can write. Okay, it is informed to all the students that a brand new wristwatch of Sonata company has been lost in the school premises. On here, students, you can write down date. Then it is silver in color and round in shape. Okay, it is of silver color and round in shape. If found, return it to the undersigned. A suitable reward is promised. Then put your signature as Ankita. Then write down name Ankita, and after it, students, write down writer's detail like student of class 6. Now students, after it, at last, put the notice in a box. Now students, I hope that all of you have understood it well, how to write down notice of lost and found. Now students, write down notice of lost and found in your English grammar notebook, or we can say English B notebook. Okay, your handwriting should be neat and clean. And students, follow format of notice and remember all the value points which we should include. Okay, now students, that's all for today video. Thanks and have a nice day.